Just a quick explanation of our latest restoration. What we have here is it was a very bad situation as far as the ups and downs. This slab was poured. It's a newer slab. It's not even a year old, but the finisher walked away. He screeded it off and just walked, never edged it, anything. So we diamond grind, rolled the edges, and I took a lot of high spots off with the diamond grinder, and then we pressure washed it with our 4,000 psi pressure washer. And today we took our magic mix and we squeegeed it on. Okay, now it's hard to maybe see, but right there is a spot, and over here they're like holes, they're dips. So I took high spots and now I'm filling the low spots. So there's a lot of playing around to get this slab back to a normal slab without having to rip it out and replace it. But it's still less than half than tearing this thing out and replacing it. It wraps all the way around. This side, for whatever reason, wasn't as bad, but there was some dips. Wherever you see a real dark spot, that's a dip. Like right there, right there. Okay, so it goes all the way around. Okay, a little bit of square footage for a little shed, but it's going to look like a brand new slab that was done the right way, and it's going to have a very nice surface, and it'll never have a stone pop. All right, thanks for watching, and look out for more of our concrete carvings and restoration.